from TBD Television in Wayne, New Jersey. It's freezing out here. I'm covering the blizzard of 2018. It's about 20 degrees out here. It's supposed to go down to the teens tonight, and tomorrow, it's supposed to be 2 degrees. I'm solo today because the cameraman, he's out snow blowing. It's even too cold for kids to build snowmen. It's so windy. So I'm gonna come inside. Oh, it's so cold. And I'm gonna show you how to build a snowman inside. So follow me. Here's the cameraman out there. It's so cold. And he's snow blowing. You can't even stay out there for a couple of minutes. And you're feeling like ice. It's about 20 degrees out here. It's going to be going down to, I think, close to 12 tonight, and then 0. Whoa. So I don't have the cameraman's help, because he's cleaning up the mess out here. Tonight, all of this is going to turn to ice. Poor cameraman. He's so cold. Woohoo! Hi everyone. I'm back in the house now, and I am going to show you how to make a s'mores snowman treat. So good. So you don't have to make a snowman outside. You can make one right in the comfort and the warmth of your own home. So let's get started. And if you're wondering why I have this jacket on, 2 reasons. Because I'm still freezing, and also because you know I like to get in character for my videos. And there's a blizzard outside. So what you're going to need is a box of regular graham crackers. You're going to need some regular marshmallows, some chocolate chip morsels. You're going to need some pretzels. I would suggest that you get pretzel sticks. I didn't have pretzel sticks, so I just had little square pretzels that I chopped up. And you're going to need something for the nose. Now, I had these little orange candy discs, but you can use anything you have that is orange that you can kind of chop up and use for a nose. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to take, oh my goodness, Diva, we're going to take our whole graham cracker. Mine just broke, but that's okay. We'll use it. Now what we want to do is we want to cut 2 marshmallows in half. So we're going to slice this right in half. They're very sticky. I got one stuck on my coat before. Whoa, where did it go? Oh my goodness. They're sticky. Just cut 2 of them in half. Okay. Now, here it is. With the sticky side down, you're going to press it on your graham cracker. And you want to press 3 of them on there so it looks just like a snowman. There you go. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the microwave for 13 seconds. Not minutes, seconds. I made these yesterday. It said do it for 12 or 13 seconds, and 13 seconds was fine. So let me put these babies in the microwave. "13 seconds. What you want them to do is you want them to puff up. They're not going to blow up, but they're going to get soft and they're going to puff up on you. This is the cutest treat. They're so good. It's like eating s'mores, but you don't have to go camping. You don't have to be outside. can do them right in the comfort of your own home. Perfect. These little babies puffed right up. Hopefully you can see it. And I'll put some still pictures at the end. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 2 of my chocolate morsels and I'm going to put them in there for eyes. I'm going to put them in there pointed side down. Just press them in there gently because your marshmallow will be soft and gooey. Here we go. I'm going to also put 3 of them in there for buttons. Press them into the body. Put 1 more in. I hope you can see me and my face isn't too dark and my nose isn't too white because I don't have the cameraman to help me today. Solo! What you see is what you get. So anyway, this is what they look when you put the little chocolate morsels in them. And then I'm going to take a little piece of that orange candy disc that I cut and I'm going to put it in there for a nose. So let me stick that right in. How cute. And then I'm going to take 2 pieces of pretzel. Like I said, you can use pretzel sticks. And I'm going to put them in there for arms. And there you have it. Your S'more snowman. Isn't that adorable? I hope you can see it. And when you bite into that, you're going to have all that gooey, yummy marshmallow with the melted chocolate and the graham cracker. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make a comment. I love to hear your comments. And subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of good things coming up. And I try to make all my recipes user-friendly. So you don't have to be an expert baker to make them. Everybody can make them. Sorry, you hear Pee-wee in the background screaming, my parrot. She wants to be in the video. So anyway, here's the one I made a little while ago before camera. I bit off part of the head, but isn't that adorable? So I'm going to take another bite, and I will see you very soon. Toodles! Mmm.